DARPA just unveiled its new Autonomous Unmanned Surface Vehicle. For centuries, control of the seas has depended on one thing: people. From ancient sailing fleets to modern destroyers, naval power has always relied on trained crews operating complex vessels across vast oceans. But that may be about to change. DARPA, the Defense Advanced Research Projects Agency, has unveiled a new generation of autonomous unmanned surface vehicles, ships designed to operate without sailors on board. These vessels aren't simply remote-controlled boats. They're intelligent platforms capable of navigating, monitoring, and carrying out missions with minimal human intervention. And they could represent one of the biggest shifts in naval warfare since the introduction of the aircraft carrier. The world's oceans cover more than 70% of Earth's surface. Monitoring such a massive area is an enormous challenge. Traditional warships require large crews, constant maintenance, fuel, supplies, and significant operational budgets. Even the most advanced naval fleets can only maintain a limited presence across such vast distances. DARPA's solution is simple in concept but revolutionary in practice. Create autonomous ships that can remain at sea for extended periods, collecting data, monitoring activity, and supporting military operations without the limitations imposed by human crews. Without sailors on board, many traditional ship systems become unnecessary. There are no crew quarters, kitchens, medical facilities, or life support spaces. The vessel can dedicate more of its size and weight to sensors, communications equipment, fuel, and mission systems. This dramatically improves efficiency while reducing operating costs. But removing the crew creates an entirely new challenge. How does a ship navigate safely on its own? The answer lies in a sophisticated network of sensors and artificial intelligence. Modern autonomous vessels combine radar systems, satellite navigation, cameras, infrared sensors, and advanced onboard computers. Together, these technologies continuously analyze the vessel's surroundings, identifying ships, obstacles, weather conditions, and potential hazards. The system can then calculate safe routes and make navigation decisions in real time. In many ways, it's similar to a self-driving car. Except instead of operating on roads with lanes and traffic signals, it must navigate thousands of miles of open ocean filled with constantly changing conditions. One of the most important missions for autonomous surface vessels is maritime surveillance. The ocean is home to critical shipping routes, military activities, underwater infrastructure, and strategic waterways. Monitoring these areas traditionally requires expensive warships or aircraft operating around the clock. Autonomous vessels can remain on station for weeks or even months, continuously gathering information and transmitting it back to command centers. This provides military planners with a persistent view of activity across vast maritime regions. Another key role is anti-submarine warfare. Submarines remain some of the most difficult military assets to detect. Their ability to operate silently beneath the surface makes them a constant challenge for naval forces. Autonomous vessels equipped with sonar systems can patrol strategic areas and listen for underwater activity over extended periods. Because they are relatively inexpensive compared to major warships, multiple autonomous vessels can work together as a coordinated network, dramatically increasing detection coverage. Artificial intelligence plays a crucial role in making this possible. The vessel's computers must process enormous amounts of sensor data every second. AI systems help identify meaningful information, distinguish between normal and suspicious activity, and prioritize what needs to be reported to human operators. This reduces workload while improving situational awareness. However, autonomy also introduces new risks. Cybersecurity is one of the biggest concerns facing unmanned naval systems. Any platform that relies heavily on software, communications networks, and digital controls must be protected against hacking, electronic warfare, and signal interference. Engineers must ensure that autonomous vessels remain reliable even when operating in hostile environments where adversaries may attempt to disrupt their systems. Another challenge involves decision-making. While autonomous ships can handle navigation and routine operations, military commanders still maintain control over strategic decisions and mission objectives. Current systems are designed to assist human operators, not replace them entirely. The goal is to create a partnership between human judgment and machine efficiency. Despite these challenges, the potential advantages are enormous. Autonomous surface vessels can reduce costs, extend operational reach, improve surveillance capabilities, and allow navies to deploy larger numbers of platforms across wider areas. They represent a new way of thinking about maritime operations. Rather than relying solely on a few large and expensive ships, future fleets may consist of networks of intelligent autonomous vessels working together alongside traditional warships. DARPA's latest unmanned surface vehicle offers a glimpse into that future. A future where ships can patrol oceans independently, gather critical intelligence, and support military operations without a single sailor on board. The technology is still evolving, but one thing is becoming increasingly clear. The next revolution in naval warfare may not be bigger ships or more powerful weapons. It may be ships that don't need crews at all.